So let's solve this problem together. We have 50 squared plus 51 squared plus 52 squared plus 53 squared all over 58. Now let's split this. We have 50 to the power of 2 here, plus our 51 is the same as 50 plus 1 all to the power of 2, plus we have 52 as 50 plus 2 all to the power of 2, plus we have our 53 as 50 plus 3 all to the power of 2, and this is over 58. Now 50 is common here, so let our 50 be equal to x. So here we have x squared plus we have x plus 1 all to the power of 2 plus x plus 2 all to the power of 2 plus x plus 3 all to the power of 2, and it's all over 58. Now let's recall that when we have a plus b all squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We'll be expanding these squares here to have x squared. Our x plus 1, when we expand it to this form, we have x squared plus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 squared, plus we have the second bracket here, we have x squared plus 2 times 2 times x, we have 2 to the power of 2, plus we have the last bracket here, we have x squared plus 2 times 3 times x plus 3 squared, and this is over 58. So we have x squared here plus, let's open up this bracket, we have x squared plus 2 times x times 1, we have 2x plus 1 plus we have x squared plus this is 4x plus we have 4 plus we have x squared plus 6x plus 9 all over 58. So we have x squared, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4x squared plus we have 2 plus 4, which is 6, plus 6, we have 12x. We have 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is 14, all over 58. So we have a common factor here, which is 2. Let's factor 2 out. We are left with 2x. When we factor 2 from 12, we have 6x plus 7 all over 58. So 2 into 58, we have 2x squared plus 6x plus 7 all over 58 divided by 2, we have 29. So from here, let's recall that our x is equal to 50. So we'll be imputing the value of x here to have 2 times 50 all squared plus 6 times 50 plus 7 all over, we have 29. So we have 50 to the power of 2, we have 2500, plus we have 6 times 50, we have 30, 0, plus 7 all over 29. So opening this, we have 5,000 plus 300 plus 7 all over 29. So when we add this up, we have 5,000 plus 307 divided by 29. So from here we have 5,307 all over 29. Now we can split this up to have 29 plus 5278, which is the same as 5,307 divided by 29. So since we have a common denominator here, we can split this to have 29 over 29 plus 5,278 over 29. So this cancel out this. We have 1 plus our 5,279. We can split it to have 29 plus 2,378 all over 29. So we have 1 plus, we can split this since it still have a common denominator, over 29 plus we have 2,378 over 29. We have 1 plus this will cancel out this. We have 100 plus our 2,378 is the same as 2009 minus 522 all over 29. So we have 1 plus 100, which is 101, plus we have 29 all over 29 minus 522 all over 29. So resolving this, we have 101 plus this divided by this, we have 100 minus our 522 is the same as 290 plus 232 all over 29. We have 101 plus we have 100 minus, we'll split this to have 290 over 29 plus 232 over 29. So we have 101 plus we have 100 minus 290 divided by this, we have 10 plus we have 232 divided by 29, we have 8. So we have 101 plus we have 100 minus 10 plus 8, we have 18. So this gives us 101 plus 100 minus 18, we have 82. So our answer becomes 183. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.